Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing of this book. Cut the corner. Okay, this is actually the back of the book. This is the front. Okay, let's see what it comes with. There's the CD. Mateo, do you want to see? Here's these things. Like a little book. I thought there would be cards inside. Oh, it's a poster of the cover. There you go. Oh, it's this. I didn't know there was another envelope. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's Megan again. Mateo! It's Megan. Why do you always get... Where's my Danny? And then this is you want it? Okay, so goodbye. Bye, Megan. You're Mateo's now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And it's... Okay, there's tiny Danny. It's Lara. I like Lara. Yay, there's stickers. I love stickers. I open the staples carefully with my nails. Gosh darn, I didn't get a Danny photo. Cute. Gnarly sticker, yay. Mean girls. I love them. Okay. That's it. Here, where's the bag? Did it just... What? Okay, it's missing.